You can expect a lot from the 2016 Lincoln MKX. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lincoln ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.